Have you ever thought of finding another job to earn more money, but you're in your 40s already? In this video, we are answering 3 crucial questions. What are the best side hustles for those over 40? How can you make extra money without quitting your 9 to 5? And how do these side hustles fit into your busy life? Me and my team did extensive research and gathered top side hustle options that don't require you to sacrifice the security and perks of your full-time job. Ready? Then, let's get started. Side hustle number 1. Let's start talking with a side hustle that you can start right now. Creating a YouTube channel. I know some of you might think, that's not for me. I don't want to be on camera. Trust me, I understand. I started as a voiceover freelancer working for a client, always behind the scenes, and never imagined I'd be able to create my own channels. And here I am. It's one of my several faceless channels. You might feel hesitant at first, but it gets easier with time. Think about it. Is there something you're passionate about or knowledgeable in? Do you have a hobby, a talent, or just a passion for making people laugh? Whatever your interest, there's an audience out there searching for content just like yours. Believe it or not, someone out there is making good money by sharing what you love to do. YouTube is the second largest search engine, owned by Google, the largest one. This means your potential audience is enormous. Billions of people use YouTube every day, and among them is your target audience waiting for your first video. Just before the pandemic, I only had a channel with 1,000 subscribers. Today, I have almost 100,000 with my main channels. If I can do it, so can you. All while keeping your day job. You don't need fancy equipment. Your phone will do. Don't worry about perfect editing. There are AI tools that will help you. Now, let's address why this message is for anyone, whatever your age, gender, or status. And this video is here to remind you that there's no discrimination in starting a side hustle. Even if you enjoy your career, earning additional income on the side can be done without overwhelming yourself. It's entirely possible to manage this alongside your regular job. The fact that many people in their late 30s, 40s, 50s, and even 60s find themselves caught between the traditional mindset of securing a stable job and the new trend of making money online. We grew up being told to find and keep a good job, but now there's a new wave showing us the potential of online income. Sometimes, those who are down need an extra push, a bit more encouragement to take that step. That's what this message is for, to inspire and motivate you to start your journey into online income. It's never too late to learn something new and succeed. Side hustle number 2. In this side hustle, anyone can start just by leveraging your unique skills, talent, or knowledge. Whether it's coaching, teaching, or consulting, you can offer what you know as a service. Platforms like Sellify, Udemy, Teachable, and Fiverr make it easy to market, sell, and collect payments for your expertise. So you might wonder, how do I figure out what talent or gift I have that others would pay for? Here are a few methods to discover your monetizable skills. Start by polling in those who know you best. Ask them how you make them feel, what comes to mind when they think of you, and be open to their honest feedback. Their insights can reveal a natural gift you may not have recognized. Another clue is what makes you angry or passionate. Often, the things that upset us are problems we're meant to solve. Consider what you do effortlessly better than most people. Reflect on your favorite job and why it stood out to you. This can hint at your natural talents. Your skill set, accumulated over the years, can also point to a marketable talent. While jobs develop skills, they also help us discover our natural abilities. Remember, your purpose often aligns with your gifts and talents, which are meant to serve others. Passion is important for personal enjoyment, but purpose is about contribution. Once you've identified your gifts and talents, practice and perfect them. The next step is to monetize these skills through platforms like Teachable or Fiverr, sharing your expertise with a wider audience. For instance, I spent a few months offering free 10-minute consultations about making money online. This experience honed my ability to listen, answer questions, and help people achieve their financial goals. My natural gift and purpose are financial mentoring and teaching through YouTube channels. This approach allows others to benefit from your talents while you build a sustainable side hustle. Remember, identifying and monetizing your gifts can lead to a fulfilling and purposeful work. Side hustle number 3. If you're over 40 and want to keep your 9 to 5 job but still make extra money, consider selling digital products. These are intangible items that exist in digital form. For example, you can create and sell cheat sheets, recipes, top 10 lists, instructions, guides, ebooks, apps, themes, plugins, graphic art, digital art, online courses, lifestyle tips, digital planners, newsletters, wallpapers, posters, emojis, PowerPoint presentations, clip art, exercise routines, sound effects, beats, stock photos, basically anything you can send electronically. But where can you sell these digital products? You can use your website or landing page or platforms like Fiverr, Teachable, ConvertKit, or WooCommerce. I'll drop some links in the description below. Using them supports the channel at no extra cost to you. These platforms are excellent for marketing and selling your digital creations. Creating these products is simple. You can use tools like Canva, Microsoft Publisher, Audacity, or Adobe software. Once your products are ready, it's crucial to market them effectively. The beauty of digital products lies in their scalability. You only create them once, and then you can sell them indefinitely without additional effort. Imagine you have a PDF. You can sell 10,000 copies in an hour for $5 each without lifting a finger. There's no shipping involved. Side hustle number 4. To get started with this, you need to know how to use platforms like Amazon and eBay. If you find items around your home that you no longer need, sell them online and make a profit. It's that simple. These platforms have been reliable for years, with eBay being the second most popular marketplace in the US right after Amazon. You can also use Shopify, Craigslist, or Facebook Marketplace. Start small and gradually increase your inventory. You can also consider dropshipping as another option to expand your business without needing to sell your own things or to hold stock. Side hustle number 5. Do you have something valuable you own? Renting it out could be your next big side hustle. Picture this. You could lease out space in your home, like an extra room or basement, or rent out equipment like a car, tools, or even event gear. Websites like Turo and Rentworks make it easy to lease your car, while Airbnb and Vrbo allows you to rent out your space to travelers. As the cost of living rises, more people are turning to these alternative solutions, making it the perfect time to cash in. Now, imagine having a spare bedroom that's just collecting dust. Instead of letting it sit empty, you could list it on Airbnb and start generating passive income. I know someone who rented out a cherry picker, a machine used to lift car engines, and it paid for itself within months. Think of all the items you could rent out: RVs, campers, drones, photo booths, boats, costumes, strollers, high chairs, tables, lawnmowers, arcade games, wedding gowns, and more. If there's something others need, it's something you can profit from. Before you try this, make sure you do your homework. Understand the laws and regulations in your area, and don't forget about taxes. It's crucial to consult a reliable CPA to help you navigate the tax implications and keep your financial record straight. A 10-minute video is still too short, but if you want to learn how to earn money online, we have a bunch of financial education videos just for you. Until next time, bye-bye!